So, Billy,
Well,
you know what we're gonna do today?
I have a lemon, so.
You have a lemon, yes. We are gonna do something called the lemon challenge. I want you to suck all the juices out of that lemon without flinching.
All of them.
All of them. Alright? Whenever you're ready.
For Minecraft. Hey, I wanna make. Can I make a shout out
Sure.
to Michael, Jeff, and all the people at Rooster Teeth?
Alright, man.
And
Go for it.
Achievement Hunter.
Go for it.
This is for you guys. And
See, you can tell it's a legitimate lemon. Hasn't been damaged much. And I'm kind of clumsy at cutting anyway, but you know. Alright, here we go.
this is for Achievement Hunter. You can hire me.
Please don't try this at home.
Yeah. Well, they probably already have.
Yeah.
But here we go.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Dang. Dang. Oh man. Wow. That's a fresh lemon by That was awesome. Good job. Yeah, man.
I think, can we safely say I lost that one?
I guess we can.
Yeah.
If Pride would allow it. So, Billy, how did it feel?
Lemony.
Lemony.
Sour.
Yeah, sour, that figures. Oh, man. I can't stop.
Water.
Can't stop laughing. Oh, man. Well, guys, that was a lemon challenge. If you want to see more dares by us, subscribe to us.
Rate, comment. What else could they do? Oh yeah, get us on Rooster Teeth. Michael, Jeff. Probably Jeff would be better to ask that.
Maybe Jeff.
Yeah. Ray, everybody.
Alright, man.
That was that was a lemon challenge, people.
That was a lemon challenge.
Bye fuckers.
See you next time.